My name is Eunice. I work for Biogas Solutions Uganda as their marketing officer. We are in Nakasongola District at the Buruuli Kingdom, championing clean cooking. Personally, I'm demonstrating pressure cookers, electric pressure cookers that cooks using pressure. Can cook beans, meat, chicken, rice, everything, can also mingle color in it. And it cooks really so fast because of the pressure. There's no pressure that escapes, so that pressure really cooks so very fast. It saves electricity. For example, in a day, you can prepare all your 3 meals using 1 unit of power. You can also fry your food in it. You can steam your matoke in it. For the matoke lovers, please don't get worried. You can steam matoke in these pressure cookers. Plus, it also acts like a food flask. It keeps your food warm for about 6 hours away from electricity. So you cook your food, it's so automatic. You just press a button and cook. When the minutes are done, it will automatically go off. So we encourage everyone to move away from the traditional cooking to the e-cooking. It's very easy, very efficient, cost-effective, and time-saving.